Hi guys, it's me again, Stephanie. This is my other cat. His name is Luca, and today we are going to show you how to crack cats' necks. Now, if this is the first time seeing this video, I promise you this does not hurt them. I love cats, so I will never do anything to hurt my cats. You can only do this with cats. Do not try this on a dog or any other pet. Just because they are very flexible, and it's just like cracking your back, your fingers, or it doesn't hurt. It just feels like a relief, right? Okay, so it's very simple and easy. So you want to grab them, position them in the middle. You're gonna grab their little face like this and kind of put your hand right here, like in their back, and we're gonna do the first crack. Okay, that's one side.
It's funny.
See it? He's not crying, didn't hurt him. He's actually purring, if you can hear that. Watch. Put the phone here.
I hope you guys
don't know if you can hear that, but that's my son in the background.
You know what?
Okay, let's do the other side.
I can't hear.
Can you record, please? They can't see.
Sorry, just didn't hear something.
Okay, let's do the other side now.
Oh.
Okay. So, and see? He's not crying, just calm, like nothing happened. So, yeah, if you guys want to know how to crack a cat's neck or any other questions you may have, I'll be more than happy to answer them. So, thank you.